Two powerhouse car rental brands. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Enterprise, renowned for its vast network and stellar service. And on the right, Alamo, famous for fast, value-focused rentals. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Quick heads up before we start. Here's our game plan. So, we're going to compare them on all these things: locations and fleet, price, service and satisfaction, loyalty and rewards, and speed and convenience. Picture a mind map right here, okay? All 5 spots connect straight between Enterprise and Alamo, and we'll tackle each one by one. All right, first up, locations and fleet. So, Enterprise totally dominates here, right? They pretty much have the largest network in the US and globally. Plus, you'll find them both at airports and, honestly, just your regular neighborhood street corner. And if you want something fancy, they've got specialty and luxury cars, too. Downside, airport locations can be a bit pricey. Yeah, that's how they get you. Now, Alamo's not bad. They've got a strong presence at international airports. And picking a car is straightforward, super easy. But you know what? They're mostly stuck in airport zones, and their fleet isn't as big or diverse. So, if you want options, Enterprise is the clear winner on this one. Time for price! Okay, I'll be real. Enterprise has some decent deals, especially when you're using their loyalty programs and discounts. But no sugarcoating here. They're usually a little pricier than Alamo. Alamo, on the other hand, is kind of the MVP for budget travelers. You'll score cheaper daily and weekly rates. And if you're rolling with family or a big group, the value just stacks up. The only catch? There aren't as many luxury or premium vehicles to choose from. So, when you're counting those dollars, Alamo definitely steals the show. Let's talk service and satisfaction, because honestly, nobody wants a rental nightmare, right? Enterprise is like the gold standard here. They crush it on customer service. Seriously, J.D. Power even ranks them #1. Plus, you can get free pickup at non-airport spots, which is super underrated, trust me. Alamo's got their game on too, especially with how smooth and fast their self-service stuff is. Perfect for those digital-first folks, or if you hate standing in lines. But let's just say, when it comes to consistent wow factor service, Enterprise edges ahead. So, yeah, they're our pick in this round. Quick fun fact, you might not know this, but Enterprise and Alamo? Yeah, they're actually sister brands owned by the same parent company. So, sometimes you can swap or drop off at each other's locations for extra flexibility. Seriously, how handy is that? Next up, loyalty and rewards. Oh, and here's something cool about Enterprise. Their Enterprise Plus program lets you earn points and unlock status. Plus, they'll even match status and upgrade you for free sometimes. The only catch? You've got to rent somewhat regularly or you'll lose your points. Now, with Alamo, the loyalty perk is more like, well, you can get airline miles or hotel points, which is nice, but there's no real loyalty tiers or sweet upgrades. If you're in it for the rewards, Enterprise is absolutely the winner here. Speed and convenience. Okay, who hates waiting in line? With Enterprise, you get self-serve kiosks at tons of airports, which is awesome. But let's be honest, picking up your car can be just a little bit slower compared to Alamo. And here's where Alamo shines. Their entire system is set up for speed. Think self-serve kiosk, online check-in, and you can just walk straight to the lot and pick your own car by class. That's next-level convenience, especially for busy travelers. So for sheer speed, Alamo gets the trophy. If we plot all those scores on a radar chart, Enterprise totally dominates on locations, service, and loyalty, while Alamo slams it for price and speed. You can actually see each brand's sweet spot visually, which, let's be real, makes picking a winner way easier. So who's it for? Enterprise is a top-notch pick if you want every possible option, stellar customer care, and rewarding loyalty perks, especially if you travel for work or rent cars often. But honestly, Alamo is the hero for budget trips and family vacations where you just want to get going. No fuss, no hassle. Both brands have their moments, but for most folks who crave choice and service, Enterprise edges out. That's a wrap. If this helped you out, go ahead, save or share so you'll always know which rental to snag next time you hit the road.